In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of Discord users still ask: can we install GooseMod on Discord? The short answer is no, not anymore. GooseMod was officially discontinued in 2022, and because Discord changed its internal code, GooseMod stopped working. So if you've been searching for a way to install it today, you're most likely going to run into broken links, outdated instructions, or a setup that simply will not work. If this video helps clear things up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's break it down clearly. GooseMod used to be a popular way to customize Discord, but once the project was discontinued, there were no updates to keep up with Discord's changes. That means even if you find old installation guides online, they are no longer reliable. The installer may fail, the client may not launch properly, or the memod may simply stop functioning after you add it. So if your goal is to use GooseMod specifically, the answer is that you cannot install it in a working, supported way today. It is no longer maintained, and there is no official active version to install. Instead of wasting time trying to force an old mod to work, the better option is to use current alternatives that are still maintained. Two of the most common choices are vencord and Better Discord. These tools are actively used by many Discord customization users because they are updated more often and are more likely to work with the current Discord client. If you want themes, plugins, better UI control, or extra customization, those alternatives are the safer place to start. Just remember that whenever you use third-party Discord modifications, you should always check the latest community guidance and understand the risks involved. Things can change quickly when Discord updates its platform, so an option that works today may need adjustments later. The main takeaway is simple: GooseMod is discontinued, so you should not expect a successful installation on Discord now. If your goal is customization, look at active projects like vencord or Better Discord instead. That will save you time and keep you on a solution that is actually being maintained. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want a follow-up tutorial on the best Discord mod alternatives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.